Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a simple cookies. It's very basic. We just need a big bowl, 1 1/4 cup of clean flour. We just mix this all together. 1/4 cup of white flour and 1/4 cup of the brown flour. If you see, you have the brown flour here. Yes, and mix it all together. And then a little of salt. Mix it all together like this. And then half cup of melted butter. You can use, actually, if you don't have butter, it's okay. You can use the oil, any kind of oil, it's okay. And then 1 beating egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's all. And then you just mix it all together, and later we need to chill it. And after 1 hour from the fridge, we can bake it. I will show you. This is very simple and easy. Actually, the sugar for here, if you want to add some sugar, you can add more, 3/4, because this one I cut the sugar. Actually, this recipe, the sugar is 1 and 1/4 sugar also, but I cut it into half only. So this is look like, yes, like a paste, like a dough, a wet dough. And then we need to keep it in the fridge for 1 hour before we form, and then we can bake it. Yes, this is it. Do like this, like this. And this is ready to chill it for 1 hour.